everyone, this is the 12th lesson of Introduction to Web Development Django course, and in this lesson we'll actually fix the parsing thing, because I just noticed that we forgot to add request in the last lesson, so we'll just add it right now. And then we will explore Groq AI and try to connect it to our website using API key. So first, let's head to our Groq website. I already opened it. Here we go. It's groq.com. And here we can actually get our API keys and things. Here it is. Now you can basically go to Dev Console. I'm already logged in. You can just log in with your personal account, like email or GitHub, doesn't matter. And then when you log in, you'll see this. And in order to get our API key, we go to here, and we need to create our API key. First, let's understand what is API key. API key is basically a key that provides us with an opportunity to send requests to a model like Groq and get some output from the model. So for example, in the website we can integrate our Groq and implement the function of actually sending information to Groq and then receiving it and displaying in the website. So let's create API key for our Groq. Yeah, for example, let's name it first API key. Let's do this thing. Oh my god. Okay, let's do F5 then. Now we have an API key, and we'll copy it. After we copy it, press done, and that's basically it. We know the API key. Now we'll go to documentation, and go to API reference. And here we basically can see some of the possible ways to implement and use our API key to use our model, right? But we'll actually go with the other way, with the function that I already prepared for you guys. So let's create it. So we're back in the website. Now let's go for let's create a function called Groq. Groq request. That will basically use this API key for our benefit. So if request dot est token method will be is post text input will be request dot post dot get text input then we will write client. We'll create a variable called client Groq API key will be, here will basically paste our API key, whatever, here it is. And as you guys can see here, this variable doesn't load. Why it doesn't load? Because we didn't import it yet. In order to import it, we go from Groq, import bgroq. Here we go. It's showing us an error because we didn't pip install it yet. Let's do it right now because I'll forget about it later. So pip install cd first project, pip install Groq. Now it's installing. And let's also install BS4. Oops. Install BS4. Yeah, it's installing and we're done. Everything works right now. Now we will continue doing our Groq in the views.py, and in the views.py now we need to add the basic template for the request to Groq. So chat completion will be find.chat completions .create. Then we'll close it for now. Then we'll open it. Messages. Row user and content will be text input. And here we also need to write our model type. So model will be llama 3 HB 8192. And don't forget about the comma. Here we are. Then we need to basically create a variable. So result will be chat completion choices. Completion dot choices 0 message dot content. Here we go. Then we return render request main groq.html. We'll just name it for now. Result are will be result are yeah, that's it. Then we'll return render our main groq.html anyways. So today we implemented our Groq function, and in the next lesson we'll integrate it into our website and see if it works.